Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Discord microphone quality, right? So right now I'm in the server and I'm not able to talk to people, so how I can fix it? So I will just go to the user setting, which you will find it here. Once we're here, scroll a little bit down, go to the voice and video. So for example, usually this is input device. Input device is something I usually use my microphone, that is my headphone. So I will just select my microphone here, right? So this is the, if you have added any external device, then you can select it from here. This will help to send your voice to different. This is output device, so I can select this speaker, or by default, so by default it will go into my earphone, right? You can just increase this output volume from here, or from here input volume 2, right? And you can just click on let's check, and here it will show you that how much volume it is going, right? So this is how you can do it. And this is called input mode, which is I don't think and this is called soundboard. So you will go much deeper into Discord features, then you will come to know. I hope that I have provided the solution for this topic. If you found it helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe.